Well, there's the snow so far. It's only halfway done. I already cleaned my truck off once and look how much is there. Is that crazy? Neighbor plowed already. It's back up there on his path. It's gotta be a foot so far. You see, it's not done. Second day of spring. Ugh.
Oh my God, I can't believe how much it snowed. It's still snowing.
I cleaned this off earlier.
I know. That was down.
See how much I got? I gotta take a measure.
Okay.
I'd rather be eating. I was gonna make a brisket, but I fell asleep. Let's see. That's 9. Seems like more. How much is it up here? 8, 9, but they say it's only halfway over. So far, our power's on. Look at the Wonderland over there. Look at trees going by. Woo! You missed the spot. Claude.
Oh.
All right, wish us luck, everybody.
Well, we got a lot of work to do.
I'm not gonna shovel much. I'm gonna clean this, and I'm gonna drive right through there, and I'll make a path for you.
Okay. Well, I'll help you.
But I'll do this. See?
Yeah. Well, we'll work at it for a couple hours.
Spring, second day of spring. It better be worth it when it finally gets here, huh?
Yep. I hope I'm not back taking this picture of another
The
foot.
first day of spring, I saw 2 robins out there. I thought that was nice, but
Oh.
wonder where they are now.
They're cold.
Let them in.
I put bird food out last night.
Yeah. All right, see ya.
All right. Hey, what you doing up there?
Oh, hi. Clean off my satellite dish. I don't want to go out and when it's frozen tonight. I don't know why I don't fall off of this thing.
Be careful.
It's an extended house washer. That's good for a while, I guess. I hope.
Yep.
There's a local wire up there. Oh, duck. All right.
All right, we got the vehicle shoveled out a little bit.
I gotta eat.
Yeah, let's go make supper. That's the tree I like.
All right, you've seen the snow outside, and this is going to be my supper. What is this, a frozen pizza? DiGiorno?
Yeah, we got frozen pizzas.
Where's yours?
This is the other one.
Oh,
Well, they're not the same because
yeah.
yours has meat, mine doesn't.
We were
but
going to go to the store or go out, but we could, because I never get stuck nowhere, remember?
But we're not stuck. But
No, I got stuck.
probably no store is open. But the fun part about this is I got these free with our coupons.
Free.
Yeah, I had discounts. Well, it ended up costing like 37 cents.
And our supper was $23.07 last night. I'm sorry I didn't mention it.
Oh yeah, well,
I cleaned off my satellite dish.
this
I'm not watching that, really.
this one made up for it because We had a bunch of coupons.
I like to watch. We're kind of stranded in here. Cleaned off the snow, but they say we're going to get twice as much yet. What do you think of that?
I like it.
Where am I? Here I am. I'm getting dizzy. See? It's that light that makes my hair gray. I wonder I got gray hair.
Is it like mine, Gray?
Well, you bleach yours.
Bleach it.
So I was going to put this on tonight to let you know how it's going, but I might wait till tomorrow to show you how much more snow we have. Or if we have a rotten disaster.
Okay, do you want some?
Huh.
Right. We're not hoping for that. Do you want some
Show how I
broccoli?
look.
Hold on.
Oh, this is my stranded attire.
We got the jam. This is how we shovel snow. Jammies.
I didn't use my pizza socks yet, though. But spring.
That's
Second day
okay.
of spring.
We're celebrating the snow and just having some fun, right?
Yeah, I thought everybody wanted to see our predicament. I know it could be worse. I cleaned off the satellite dish. You saw that probably.
Do you want broccoli on your pizza?
Oh no.
Come on, we got some nice stuff
Oh
here.
no, no.
A little bit.
Got any more meat? We got bacon, huh?
I just loaded it with.
Let me look outside here. Whew! Still got the party lights up. Terrible, huh? Look at my grill. Ugh. Look at my pirate flag and the trees. No more breeze. What'd you say? You put bird food out and there was a cardinal over there, or what?
I put bird food out.
And then what was out there?
Cardinals.
In the snow?
Yeah, they came right down the tree to the like.
They were waiting for you.
Yeah, they were watching me out there shoveling.
Mama bird.
Mama bird.
We got no traffic up there on the road. Terrible. Oh, there goes, oh, plow, alright. Alright, we couldn't wait for spring. I was counting the days down when it was like 90 some days. And this is what we get. Stranded like Gilligan. So I'm spinning. I'm spinning. I'm spinning.
What are you doing? Whoa! Hey, watch the lights.
How do they do that? Huh? I got dizzy. Lizzie. Then Tizzy. Alright, stop and eat, right? How long are you gonna take?
Your pizza's in the oven?
Alright. We'll be back. I'll keep you updated.
Ricotta cheese.
What?
We're having specialty pizzas.
Alright, we'll be back. I hope you're warm and dry and safe and cool.
Yeah, I hope so.
Whatever you are. See you later.
Okay,
You
there's
like
there's the other one. Ricotta cheese, broccoli, cheddar.
It's not cooked yet, is it?
No.
Frozen pizza.
There you go.
Look at mine. Oh, we're here with the TV area. Woo! Look at mine.
Ooh.
I'm gonna try that new Hidden Valley Ranch they sent me. Honey barbecue. Hey, I only got 4 slices.
4 big slices.
Stranded. Stranded in the living room.
The snow party.
It's snow party and you're not invited. Not invited. Not invited. You would be invited if it was a party, but it's a snow party tonight. Now this is Honey Barbecue Ranch. What are we gonna think about that? That pizza's not too hot, is it? How you like my light? Is the light good?
No, the light's a little bad right now. It's the dark side of the Mammana face.
Honey Barbecue Ranch? Eee.
Do you like that combination? It's too hot, right? It's too hot?
Pizza mouth. No, I don't like that combination.
Oh. Should I get you the blue cheese?
No. Well, maybe, yeah, but
Okay.
Honey Barbecue Ranch.
Wow, that'll be good on a salad.
Maybe.
Oh!
Alright, I'll let you know about the snow later. Still snowing. There's it done. Look at that. You like it?
Looks great.
I like mine better.
No, this one looks good.
Still snowing out, huh?
Yeah. It's snowing and it's starting to get dark and it's going to be nasty.
I'm still eating over there. See the snow on the camera outside? Oh boy. Hey Marty! Alright, see you later. Cuckoo. This is next morning. See what I cleaned off the truck last night? Came back. Anyway, looks like we made it. You can see some of these branches out back there. Big pine trees. We didn't lose no other big branches. Third day of spring. Oh, my 4 bushes. There's some of them around. Well, who's back here? Look at this mess. Oh. Definitely a winter wonderland, ain't it? Winter. Or spring wonderland. Look how they pop up. Watch. Arise! Arise, O season of spring. Arise! Arise, O curvature of the clavicle. Arise! Arise! You too. Arise! Can't stand it no more! How you doing? Sitting by the pool? Look at me like that. Alright, zoom in on that new tire there. See that? Or that motorcycle tire. Isn't that cool? I should take a picture of that. Want the camera. Isn't that neat? Mm-hmm. You want to go swing on it? Swing a ding ding.
Oh, looks nice.
He's getting squirrely over there.
He was eating the bird seeds. That's good. I put some corn there for him too.
I'm supposed to be swimming. I'm a helpful neighbor. What's up, Mike?
Well, this is the last.
Neighbor says it's gonna melt today. He's always right. I'm glad. All right, everybody. I know you wanted to see how it turned out here, huh? Since I've been waiting for spring for so long. And this is it, 3rd day. Can only get better from here. Take it easy. Stay safe. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna go eat that brisket.